So we're back doing the Flames of War M113 build. So this process is priming and then getting that base coat paint on. So here I have the on-camera build model that we're doing, and for priming them, well, first of all, moving them around, I use a little tray. So that's the off-camera build, so we can get some paint onto that one while I show you how I prime this one and then paint that one. I just carry them around a little tray if I've got to move around. So I'm out in the shed now because I'm doing spray painting. So the first step I do is get the double-sided tape, and I just cut a little strip of tape. Double-sided tape can be a little bit of a pain sometimes, but it's really good stuff. Most hardware shops sell it. And then I just use a paint lid from an old spray can, and that's what I'll mount the model on. I'll peel off that top bit of plastic. So we've got the double-sided tape, and then I don't mount that turret that's not glued on. I'll leave that off. I just place the model on there, give it a good push down, and the turret I just put on the side. So it gives you an idea. Sorry if that light's a bit bad. So that's them mounted. They're not going to come off. Remove the tray and put them back in that tray to carry them back inside. Now I'll have to hold this with one hand and spray with the other. The spray paint I use is just Chaos Black. Give it a bit of a shake before you spray it. I'll just put a glove on my left hand, and I'll use that to hold the model, and then I just simply go around and give it a spray. Of course you can use an airbrush. I'm not using the airbrush, I'm just showing basic modelling with just the simple tools and what I have on hand. So just move around, give it a good spray everywhere. And that looks okay to me. Now we'll sit that one on the corner there and let that dry, and then, because I wanted to get it all in the same video, I'll show you painting this one, which is one I painted, primed off camera before. Apologies for the noise. Now I'm just using hobby paint, and the colour is Russian uniform. I find it works really well with the Vietnam stuff. It's a good colour for what I do. And it's the same thing again. Don't want a real heavy coat. Just move around, move the model around. Doesn't need to be heaps thick because we're using a black primer, and I find that it doesn't matter if you have a little shade of black that comes through on the model. And I'm pretty happy with that. That's my priming and base coating Sorry, I think I swapped them around. I think, oh, this is the off camera one, yeah. So, but I'll let this one dry, which is the on camera build. And once that primer's dried a little bit more, I'll do exactly that. So that's the two next to each other. Use the same color. Thanks for watching.